Crack-a-lackin', y'all. Back at it, doing some more van shit. So the other day I tried to make some sort of cabinet slash shelf slash storage compartment, and I failed miserably. But I think my reason is I was trying too hard. I was trying way too hard. Simplify things. So I made this new one. It's simple. Just a piece of wood with blocks, and it's kind of like a shelf. So let me show you this. And there's actually blocks that go right here, and then this screws right there into the blocks. Perfect little storage space. But today's video is on this. So there's this awkward little space between the wall, the wall and the ceiling. Over here too, where the electrical is. It's where the wall and ceiling could not meet, and it's such an odd little shape that I can't just put a piece of board on. So I came up with an idea. I was originally going to put this carpet on. I was like, that's a little boring. I found this stashed away in a box from when I put the fur up in that corner. So I went to Joann's, grabbed some more. So we're gonna use the carpet to cover it, just because this is too thin. Just to create the base. Staple this on, and I tucked it up so that you can't see the wires at all. And then this goes right there. Look at that. Frickin' built. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. That's sick. So yeah, we're gonna do that all the way around down there. And then on this side. And I'm still deciding on whether I want to paint this or not. Might just want to keep it natural. We'll see. But it's been a while since I've actually introduced myself, so if you're old here, or I don't mean old, but if you're part of the fam, welcome back. And if you're not, come join the fam. And my name is Paul. That's my best friend, Ozzie. This is our camper van. So, let's get straight to work. I think, do I need to do any more painting? I don't think so, but right now would be the perfect time. I think, yeah, we're gonna do some painting and let that dry. And then mount some fabric. So first we gotta drop this section of the ceiling. Not a whole lot. Just so that the rug or carpet can fit under here. So I got some rug up, or carpet, and I need to fit something between here because there's a gap. I need something to mount this board to. So let me cut this because I think this will fit perfectly in here. Oh, that reminds me. Don't forget to remind me, guys. I need to put insulation in here. Yeah, let's cut this into a square. Fit it in. Screw it to that stud. Perfect. All right. Pilot hole screw, then insulation. Stuffed with insulation now. Now we're going to mount this plank before we mount this fabric over here. just because I want to see some progress here. I've got some drywall screws because they're black. Now, is this going to be a good idea? I don't know. I mean, a screw's a screw, right? That's freaking awesome. Uh-oh. Hope that ain't gonna bug me. It might. But we'll just deal with it. Because we don't need to worry about that. But that looks awesome. Dude. Goes awesome at the freaking window frame. This is killer, dude. Alright, let's get the rest done. It's freaking windy today. Look at that. But I got a little greedy. Wanted to fix it. Because I got greedy, the screws didn't work. It's a good thing though. Because I think they're too short. So I can't use the black ones unless I go buy some 1 by 5/8 inch black screws, which I might, but we'll see. But this looks so awesome. So let's get the other side done, get the plank mounted, and then this side, there's not enough room to have fabric and plank. So I think if I take out these screws, this should be able to pull back a little bit, and I might put the fabric under here and under the ceiling. So we'll see what happens. Look at that. That is freaking stunning. I like that. I like that a lot. That is perfect. I love the design, the patterns, the colors. Awesome. You can hang stuff from this too, nice and thick. Sweet. Yeah, the carpet and the insulation definitely helped keep it thick and fluffy. Awesome, I like it. You can really see the horrible wood shape. I hope that don't bug me, but we'll see. Knowing me, I'm gonna swap it out, but I don't want to. I'm sure it'll be alright. Unless I can always put like a piece of driftwood there. So I got an idea for this. Is mount this somewhere, and I can hang my necklace on this. That's a good idea. I like it a lot. Now what to do about this? Oh, this feels nice. Can't wait to go camping.